Hello, everybody, and welcome back to FX Street. My name is Akash, and today we're going to be taking a look at a bunch of cryptos and discuss what's happening with it, right? It's been a while since I last recorded my videos, so I'm glad to be making a comeback, right? You can give us a follow on Twitter at FXS Crypto, and if you enjoy the content that I put out, make sure to give me a follow as well at Mangyako with a zero at the end. You can join my socials, Telegram, YouTube, and Discord by clicking on these links to the pinned tweet here, right? So without further ado, let's get into what's happening, right? Let me give you a brief rundown on what's happened so far, right? I think the last time I discussed Bitcoin or recorded in videos was somewhere in this particular phase. So quite a few things have happened so far. This is the March, the May thing. This was a Luna crash, and this was a 3AC crash, and now we had the FTX crash. So yeah, it's really interesting what's happening in the market space right now. The price has retested the low, although it's not a great volume node. It has retested it, and it is now using that as a support level, as you can see here. These levels were marked back in, I believe, in March of 2022, and are still holding pretty good, right? An interesting development after, due to this FTX crash, was that the price has now gone below the volume point of control of 2022, which indicates that the price has flipped the highest traded volume level. That means at 19,000, the amount of volume, or basically the volume of Bitcoin that was traded at 19,000 level was the highest for all of 2022. And now that we've kind of, broken down below this level here, it indicates that things are worsening, right? Uh, Going forward, what I'm expecting is for the price to kind of, try a recovery attempt and go back above the June 18th low here at 17,593, roughly 17.6K. Right? Even beyond that, if the price does manage to recover above the June 18th low, there is the matter of the volume point of control, as I just mentioned, which is around 18 point. Let me just change this. Let me make it accurate. So we're roughly exactly at 19K, right? So even if we do manage to overcome 17.6K, there is the matter of the POC at 19K. And only after that, there is an attempt or there is an opening for Bitcoin price to try and go back above 20 around 25K, right? That's basically my whole outlook. It looks much better in this particular chart that I have here, right? Although it's not okay. Okay, there you go. For now, I have this smaller range that was formed after the price kind of bottomed around 15.5K, and we created a range. Right now, the price is having a lot of trouble moving above the midpoint. And once we kind of get that, I'm expecting it to go up to 18.2K. Again, this is a very short-term outlook, but if you look at it from a long-term perspective, right, so this is a smaller range that the price has created after breaking down below the lower limit of this larger range. So let me just make it a little better so you guys can understand where I'm coming from down here. Okay, cool. So this was the range extending from roughly 17.6K to 23K. The price deviated above the range, hit 25K, and then came back down. And now the price is deviated below the range low. So the only way for the price to go back, like get back inside this range, is to produce like a good flip of 17.6K to support floor. So I'm expecting something like this, followed by a move up to this. Right, this is what I'm expecting for now. Right, with let me just take out all these other stuff here so you guys don't get confused. Right, so basically this is what I'm expecting, guys. My entire trade setups from a long-term perspective will be based on this particular chart here that I see, right? A recovery above the range low, followed by a move up into into 20K, although 20K seems a little unlikely. You can see 19,011 is the point of control, right? So this name is POC. Change the color to red. Right, so this is going to be the first resistance level or the first take profit level. But again, if I dive a little lower into a lower time frame, you can see that I'm currently in a trade. That the chart's load, it's pretty slow. Okay, cool. So I basically shorted this move down here all the way down to this level here, and then I also provided a good trade out, a good trade setup. Where I expected the price to go up and retest the FEG here at 17.2K, but the price kind of fell short, and or it also provided an exit signal here on my Discord channel as well. Like we particularly we've caught the move perfectly. The moves that happened between 13th and 14th November. Although I did want to short this, I kind of got distracted, right? So what's happening right now on a 15-minute time frame is the only way we could get like another amazing entry is if the price, sweeps the range low over here, recovers above it. Now this could be a good place to enter. And after this, I'm expecting the price to go back above the June 18th low, make a base here, right? This is the first setup that I'm looking at. And if things go pretty well after this, then you can expect the price to go all the way up to 19,1100, which is the POC again, right? So technically, you are looking at something like this all the way up to this. Now this is an amazing swing setup that I'm looking forward to, but it's too far into the future. The price could continue going up from here, or we may never get this thing. So for now, this is my outlook on Bitcoin. I am pretty bullish in the short term. As for the long-term outlook, things are pretty much the same. A macro bottom, I'm expecting it to happen between 11.9K and 13.5K. That has not changed. So yeah, if you guys enjoy this analysis, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I know I've missed recording these videos. So have a great day, guys. Peace.